All of this debris, this orange stuff, used to be the pathway in the park. This is across the street from the Jade Shop here in Cache Creek, where you come for your gold panning supplies as well as other things. We're going to take a walk down here. The infamous Little Blue Bridge. And 3 years ago, when the water came over this, it looked like a bloody waterfall or rapids. I thought the bridge was going to get washed away. As you can see, they always close this off because of erosion of the bank. The mighty Bonaparte River. Boy, she's flowing fast and hard. Right up under the bridge. Well, the trailer court is just down here. She's flooding out big time. We're gonna go get video of that now. That's the post office. Cache Creek, British Columbia.